Ever wondered what makes Chicago one of the most visited cities in the US? The journey begins at the Millennium Park, a place that houses the alluring Cloudgate sculpture, or as locals fondly call it, the Bean. This iconic piece of public art, with its seamless, reflective surface, mirrors the city's stunning skyline and the ever-changing weather, making it a sight to behold at all times. The Bean's unique shape, reminiscent of a droplet of liquid mercury, is a testament to the creative spirit of Chicago. Visitors can walk around and under the Cloudgate, experiencing it from all angles. Meanwhile, Millennium Park itself serves as a vibrant meeting place, buzzing with locals and tourists alike. Its green spaces, art installations, and stunning architecture blend together to create a lively atmosphere. A walk in the Millennium Park, a selfie with the Bean, and your Chicago adventure is off to a great start. From the park, we move to a sanctuary of world-class art, the Art Institute of Chicago. This cultural gem is home to an impressive collection of artworks, from ancient to contemporary, that span multiple continents and millennia. Among its treasures are renowned pieces like Grant Wood's American Gothic, a testament to rural American life, and Vincent van Gogh's The Bedroom, a poignant glimpse into the artist's world. The Art Institute is more than just a museum, it's a vibrant center of art education and scholarship. Art enthusiasts, students, and scholars alike flock here to appreciate and study the diverse collection. The Institute also plays a pivotal role in fostering art appreciation among the community, offering art classes, lectures, and workshops for all ages. Immersing oneself in the Art Institute's treasures is like taking a global art tour without leaving Chicago. It's an unforgettable journey into the world of art, providing a rich, enlightening experience that lingers long after the visit. Leaving the hallowed halls of the Art Institute, we find ourselves drawn to the vibrant atmosphere of Navy Pier. As if by magic, we're transported to a place where laughter and joy fill the air. This 3,000-foot-long pier, jutting out into the sparkling waters of Lake Michigan, is a world unto itself. Imagine the thrill of a ride on the Centennial Wheel, towering nearly 200 feet above the ground, offering breathtaking views of the city skyline and the lake. You can almost hear the delighted squeals from the wave swinger or the quiet hum of the carousel, a timeless favorite of the young and young at heart. Let's not forget the multitude of attractions, from the Crystal Gardens to the Chicago Children's Museum. There's something for everyone. Perhaps you'd fancy a leisurely cruise or a high-speed adventure on the Sea Dog, or maybe a relaxing stroll, taking in the stunning views of Lake Michigan. A day at Navy Pier is a day well spent, filled with fun, frolic, and fantastic views. Next, we step off the land and onto an architectural boat tour. Feel the gentle breeze as we set sail on the shimmering waters, gliding past the city's breathtaking skyline. Now, let's turn our attention to the towering giants that define Chicago, the iconic skyscrapers. Observe the Willis Tower, once the tallest building in the world, standing tall and proud in the heart of the city. Close by, you'll see the elegant Trump International Hotel and Tower, its reflective surface mirroring the surrounding beauty. Let's not forget the historic buildings that give Chicago its unique charm. The Wrigley Building, for instance, with its white terracotta facade, is a nod to the city's rich architectural history, and the Tribune Tower, a neo-Gothic masterpiece, stands as a testament to the city's enduring spirit. As we cruise along, marvel at the harmonious blend of old and new, history and innovation, that makes Chicago's skyline so unforgettable. A boat tour offers a unique perspective of Chicago's architectural brilliance, a sight to behold and cherish. Back on land, we find ourselves strolling along the Chicago River Walk. This vibrant pathway threads its way through the heart of the city, where the urban hustle meets serene riverside charm. The Riverwalk is a bustling hub of activity, flanked by an eclectic mix of cozy cafes and gourmet restaurants. Here, you can sip on a warm cup of coffee or indulge in a delicious meal, all while watching the world go by. But it's not just about the food and drinks. The Riverwalk is also a live gallery, adorned with public art installations that add a creative flair to the cityscape. These works of art, each unique in its expression and design, bring a splash of color and imagination to the Riverwalk. And let's not forget the gardens that dot the pathway, where nature thrives amidst the concrete jungle. These pockets of green offer a tranquil retreat from the city's pace. The Riverwalk is a testament to Chicago's ability to blend urban life with natural beauty, a perfect place for a leisurely stroll. For those seeking a thrill, Skydeck Chicago awaits. Imagine yourself stepping onto the ledge, a glass balcony extending 4 feet outside the Willis Tower, The city sprawls beneath you, the hustle and bustle of life on the streets reduced to a miniature world. You're standing 1,353 feet above the city that never sleeps. As you cast your gaze across the horizon, the city's iconic skyline unfolds before you, a testament to human ingenuity and architectural brilliance. From this breathtaking vantage point, you can see 4 states on a clear day: Illinois, Indiana, Wisconsin, and Michigan. Landmarks such as Wrigley Field, Navy Pier, and Millennium Park are easily spotted from this towering height. The Skydeck also offers an interactive way to explore the city from above, with high-definition touchscreens that provide close-up views and information about the city's landmarks. Skydeck Chicago offers a bird's-eye view of the city that is as exhilarating as it is beautiful. From the reflective curves of the bean to the dizzying heights of Skydeck Chicago, we've journeyed through some of the city's most iconic attractions. We've delved into the heart of Chicago, a city that pulses with life, culture, and a rich tapestry of experiences waiting to be discovered. Our journey began in Millennium Park, where we marveled at the iconic Cloudgate sculpture, fondly known as the Bean. This reflective masterpiece set the tone for our Chicago adventure, a city where art and architecture blend seamlessly. We then immersed ourselves in the world-class art at the Art Institute of Chicago, home to masterpieces like Grant Wood's American Gothic and Vincent van Gogh's The Bedroom. Each stroke of the brush, each vivid color told stories that transcended time, reminding us of the power of creativity. Our senses were further delighted at the vibrant Navy Pier filled with laughter, thrilling rides, and breathtaking views of Lake Michigan. Here we experienced the city's lively spirit, a testament to its enduring charm. The architectural boat tour was a journey through Chicago's skyline, a silhouette of dreams etched against the sky. We learned about the city's iconic skyscrapers and historic buildings, each a testament to human ingenuity. We strolled leisurely along the Chicago Riverwalk, lined with bustling cafes, lush gardens, and public art installations. This urban sanctuary offered a moment of calm amidst the city's hustle, a soothing rhythm to its energetic pulse. Then, we dared to step onto the ledge at Skydeck Chicago, experiencing the city from a staggering 1,353 feet above ground. It was a moment of awe, a glimpse of the city's grandeur from the heavens. Throughout our journey, we visited the museum campus, Lincoln Park Zoo, Wrigley Field, Chicago Symphony Orchestra, and the Garfield Park Conservatory. Each stop offered a unique experience, from educational fun at the museum, a day with wildlife at the zoo, the thrill of a baseball game, the magic of live music, to the lush oasis of the conservatory. We shopped along the Magnificent Mile, indulged in Chicago's famous deep dish pizza at Geno's East, laughed at the Second City, discovered the city's cultural heritage at the Chicago Cultural Center, and relaxed at Grant Park. Each experience was a thread in the vibrant tapestry of Chicago. Every corner of Chicago tells a story. From art and architecture to adventure and leisure, this city has something for everyone. So when are you planning your Chicago journey?